You are about to see the £20,000 a night penthouse suite at the Emory Hotel in London. Not only are we going to see this magnificent space, but we are going to try to uncover how ultra high net worth individuals actually live in this space. I'm Calley, or Luxury Hotel Girl. Follow along with me to get educational hotel tours and have lots of fun. Let's go check this out. This is an all-suite hotel that uses different designers. The penthouse was designed by Rigby and Rigby. The warm wood, fluted details in the walls are really welcoming, and the long hallway builds my anticipation to see more. If you're like me and prefer floor plans to understand the layout, I'll use this, which is a hyper-realistic reenactment of my walkthrough. I'm going to show you 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. This penthouse can sleep up to 6 people with 2 complimentary extra beds. The TVs feature international channels, and there are some awesome perks you get in this space that I'll share. In regards to average hotel penthouse sizes in London, this is in the middle to slightly larger side, considering it's about 300 square meters or 3,200 square feet. I wanted to show you the back of this couch and the chargers because it's so convenient. There are 2 signature features in this penthouse, one of them being this dining room that can seat up to 8 people. And if you look to the right, there's even more outdoor space, this whole dining table area. You're gonna find new hotel openings and renovations are really prioritizing that private outdoor space for guests. But I'm sure you're curious to know about the type of guests that stay here. You might remember the beetle bug statue from my full tour. Penthouse suite guests usually come for leisure, and they're within a small family unit with children, and they're really looking for all that space that the penthouse provides. I'm really enamored by this fluted bar detail. I find it just breathtaking. If you're an interior designer, you will have to let me know your thoughts in this space. But obviously we're going into the kitchen area. The minibar items, including the alcohol, are complimentary in this hotel in all of the rooms. But this penthouse suite has a wine fridge for entertaining, microwave, and professional coffee machine. Penthouse suite guests may not be eating here though, because they receive a complimentary tasting experience at ABC Kitchens, which includes a tasting menu and wine pairing for up to 4 guests. And this is just one of the 8 penthouse perks I will share. But let's continue with the tour as we move through the hallway. I'll tell you the next perk, which is £300 or 400 United States dollars worth of hotel credit to use during the stay. By the way, I love hearing your thoughts in general, so let me know what you think in the comments. As we enter the second bedroom, we're greeted with a walk-in closet. And I thought this was the primary bedroom at first, but both sizes of the bedrooms will actually shock you. The third perk is the guaranteed early check-in and late checkout, which would really come in handy. As you can see, the floor-to-ceiling windows bring in so much light, and look at how big this balcony is as well. The fourth perk is up to 4 monogrammed robes like the one you see hanging here in this bathroom. By the way, if you want to see more presidential suite tours or are just feeling extra generous, feel free to like or hype this video. It really means a lot to me. But I'm about to show you how big this shower head is. I can't wait to show you the coolest penthouse perk, which is definitely my opinion, so you let me know if you agree. But first, let's find out who exactly would be staying in this space. I'm at quite an unfortunate height for this statue, but this is a little bit better. Penthouse suite guests typically don't bring a large entourage with them. They have their immediate family and then possibly a nanny that can sleep in this room. This is the TV room or second lounge, or where the nanny usually stays. Since the Emory will provide 2 extra beds in the penthouse, some of these spaces can really be customizable to guest preferences, such as the private gym, which some families choose to convert to a kid's playroom. But this brings me to my 5th perk, which is a daily 60-minute personal training class or yoga, Pilates, and even EMS training, which stands for electro muscle stimulation. Or this could be a massage room to utilize the 6th benefit, 1 massage per guest per stay. Before we move to the primary bathroom and bedroom, you remember those fun Tracy Anderson classes the hotel has in my full tour? Well, Penthouse guests get a complimentary private class with a smoothie after. But if you're curious as to how Penthouse suite guests usually spend their time, let me tell you. In terms of Penthouse guests' schedule and activities, it really varies. Some like to go do shopping, and others like to hang out in the room or go to Seren, the amazing spa, to relax. We are coming up to our final room now, the primary bedroom. This is the back closet area, vanity. The primary bedroom is actually the same as the first bedroom we saw, except there's a chess table and views of Hyde Park. In fact, the Emory website has a lovely video and 3D walkthrough you can look at, so it's nice to see what the outdoor furniture is actually like. And the final perks are a return airport car transfer, and here's the one I think is the coolest, one-way helicopter transfer. This means the Emory starts the guest stay before they even arrive. How cool is that? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you don't miss the Emory full tour. Like or hype this video, and subscribe if you want to see more hotel tours. Thanks so much for watching.